Prophet, back with another video for you. Sitting down, Spirit told me to hit the button. Grandson mama just gave him a little popsicle. He's sitting down eating. Mama just gave him something. Sit down and eat. Sit down. Blessings. Hope that man doesn't crowd in your judgment. Hope that you understand just who you are. Hope that the realizations that you're being shown, led into, guided into for yourself, satisfying for you. Blessings, guidance, and protection again. Integrity, strength, focus, and understanding again. Why again? Because when we open our eyes, that's what we got to know. Disciplines again, focus again, drive again, efforts again. Again. Little bees, man. So, what Prophet want to bring to you this video is, see, the way we set up, the way we design ourselves in the old energy was when we meet people, whenever we associate with people, whenever we have these encounters, whenever we interacting, we always processing it as far as what we expecting from individuals, how we expecting individuals to be. You know, like what we sizing people up. We sizing people up. And we forgetting the fact of showing love. We forgetting the fact of what we bringing to the table. We forgetting the fact of what you supposed to be divinely guided to do. And it's not gonna never be expecting nothing. See, divine, anytime you got that word divine involved, for anybody listening, it's supposed to always be a assurance. It's supposed to always be a must, a knowing already, a belief stamped already. It's a yes. Always overcome. Like that's what they come with. It don't come with second guessing. It don't come with iffy. It don't come with I'm not sure. It don't come with I don't know if it. No, it doesn't. You know, and that got to be said because there's plenty of us out here that's, you know, transforming ourselves. And, you know, it's like we get to the point to where, you know, we do our research and we sit and tap in, but we don't really get these one-on-one experiences with individuals of like mind too often like that. And that's important. That's important to know. Because for any one of y'all out there that feel like you ain't supported, that feel like you need somebody on your team, that feel like, why me? That's alone. If you feel like that, listen to me. Spirit say, you know who you are. You know what you came to do. It's not going to be all kind of people on the side. You changing lives. You changing perspectives. It's not going to be all kind of people with you when you're doing this. It's not going to be all kind of people patting you on the back because you're bringing individuals from a place of not knowing into knowing. Into knowing. That's why a prophet wants you to focus on what you're bringing, like what you're bringing. And it doesn't have to be material. It doesn't have to be in that physical sense.